Hi, this is SmartDesigner staff team, and from now on I'm going to show you how to design your sketch with our program very easily and conveniently. So first you need to log on to our program with simply just typing in your ID and password. When you open the program, you'll see this window and go to File to choose what kind of work you're going to do. So there are either Create New Image or Create New Project. For sketch designing, go to Create New Project and open the screen. So you will have this blank page, and to activate the page you always need to remember that you need to click on the right button of your mouse and go to Add and pull up any function you need to do. First of all, mainly there are three ways to help you draw your sketch. First, I'm going to show you how to use the library function. Go to Panel Shape, and you will see these all types of clothes ready made for you. And you can also select all parts of the cloth as well. So select among them the most similar image that you are going to create. So you can pull up the image by clicking it on the screen, and you can adjust the nodes as you wish. And because it's on mirror function, by just moving around one node, the other side node always moves around together. And if you don't want that mirror function, you can always cancel that as well by clicking on the node with the right mouse. And you can also fill in with colors. And and your t-shirt is ready in few seconds. Also, you can also fill in with patterns. If you wish to use pattern, it's very convenient to use the function called image list. For example, you can create your own pattern with our program as well, which I will explain to you on the other session. So now briefly, I will just say you have created some plate pattern with our program. So select one of them, and you can save it for later use on image list. So like this, if you have saved your image on the image list for later use, you can always use it on your sketch by clicking on it and select pattern refill. And you can always resize your pattern or change the direction of your pattern, so it's very easy to apply it to your design. So you have your own t-shirt designed in just a few minutes. And there is another way to make your own design, and that is by clicking on right hand button and go to Add Vector Object. You can create your own design from the bottom. You can utilize a pen tool, and by clicking on Show Mirror Line, you can you know where you can start with. And you can also move the mirror line as you wish. And by checking on mirror function, you can just draw half of your cloth and the other half automatically appears. So you can either choose from line or curve to make your design. And because it's in vector file, you can also adjust your drawing as well. And you can also adjust some nodes as you wish. And once you're done with sketching, you can also fill in with colors or patterns as before. And another way you can do is that if you are drawing your sketch with your hand, you can scan your file and then save it. When you have your image scanned or the sketch scanned, you can simply do some color grouping to simplify the color just to white and black, and then just select white and black. That is to make your image simpler, or the colors that have been used simpler. And the computer or the software will read your lines, and you can make your line into the vector file and digitalize your hand-drawn work. By going to convert bitmap to vector, that is right hand click, you can make your work into the vector file like this. So even if you have solid drawing, you can always make it into a vector file with our program and then edit it as you wish. So those were the three main ways you could draw your sketch with our program. And one of the good things of our program is that you can also write text or lines or charts as well. So for once, you can just make your own worksheet with our program and then save it, and later you can use it by pulling it off. So with this add function, you can see there is adding text function and adding table and adding lines and arrows as well. So these are all functions needed for you when you make your worksheet. You can also adjust the fonts as well, so you can make your original one and only worksheet. Yep, these are all the fantastic functions that we have for project mode, and there will be a lot more other functions coming up. So yeah, that's it for project mode. Thank you for listening.